Distribution value chains in emerging markets are highly inefficient. Let's take Indonesia, for example. There are 150,000 wholesalers serving 4 million small stores. This is a ratio of 1 to 30, which is very inefficient. As a result, about 25% of Indonesia's GDP is spent on logistics. These value chains have almost zero tech and zero visibility with no digital data. There were many attempts to try and solve this. Many e commerce entrants raised billions of dollars, built central warehouses, and invested in building a delivery fleet. Then they found out that the small stores need many small orders, which in turn made their cost per drop enormous. In addition, in order to sell, they had to provide competitive pricing, so they subsidized sales. They basically sold at a lower price than buying, which is not a great business model. The margins in the value chain are too thin, and these companies are generating significant losses. Many are closing, and the future of these asset heavy companies is grim. What we identified is that the problem that really needs to be solved is to create a network of local warehouses that can serve the local neighborhood in an efficient manner with same day delivery of small orders with the best prices. So instead of building these warehouses, we leverage our unique technology platform. We identify and select the best wholesaler out of the many ones in the neighborhood, onboard them to our digital platform, assign them with an Enference commerce manager who is the one going to these small local stores within a radius of 5 to 10 kilometers and is taking the orders. The wholesaler is the one fulfilling the orders with our existing same day delivery fleet. We have no capital expenditures, no inventory, and we don't subsidize our sales. We are expanding our Indonesia network to include 4,000 local warehouses and salespeople, which will enable us to cover the entire country with the most efficient distribution network for both physical and digital goods. This is all powered by our unique technology platform, especially designed for these emerging markets, with our exclusive big data taken from the field and fed into our unique platform. We are not a middleman. We are strategic partners of the consumer goods companies like Coca-Cola and others who are the ones paying in order to take action based on our data and significantly grow their market share in the general trade market that serves 80% of the population in emerging markets, estimated at $5 trillion. We sell all products to the enormous array of small scale stores, and in a matter of 6 months, double the sales of each wholesaler who joins our network. We have also embedded financing to further support our wholesalers and small stores to expand their business. We are a global solution, already operating networks in Indonesia, the Philippines, and we are further expanding, changing distribution in emerging markets, driving efficiencies and more profits to the 400 million small stores, enabling 4 billion customers to shop at these stores and have access to better prices and many new digital services while significantly improving their quality of life.